Hello everyone. I Subi, your mathematics teacher, welcome you all for the online classes of class 5 subject mathematics. Today we are going to start our new chapter from our book 2 only. So our chapter is chapter 3, fractions. Let's learn more about the concept of fractions throughout this video.
Let's learn fractions. Understanding fractions can be easy as 1, 2, 3. Just watch this video and you'll be using fractions with ease. It's easy to count whole things like a pizza, a pie, or a donut. But what if we only had part of one? How would we count it then? We'd use fractions. A fraction looks like this. The bottom number is called the denominator. It shows how many equal pieces an object has been divided into. The top number is called the numerator. It shows how many parts of the denominator you are looking at. For example, a pizza is usually divided into 8 slices. That means that in a fraction, the denominator would be 8. If you normally eat 1 slice of pizza, then 1 would be the numerator. That means that you eat 1/8 of a pizza. If you normally eat 2 slices of pizza, then 2 would be the numerator. The denominator would still be 8 since there are always 8 slices of pizza. That would mean that you eat 2/8 of a pizza. Let's try another example. This pie is divided into 6 pieces, and you eat 4 pieces of it. If there were 6 pieces of pie and you eat 4, what is the denominator of your fraction? That's right, 6. What is the numerator? Yup, it's 4. That means that you ate 4/6 of the pie.
Fraction is defined as equal parts of a whole. Whole means you are taking the complete object. But what will you say if you are taking some part of the object? Like if you are taking from this cake, if you are taking 1 piece. So how will you represent that part? So here your concept of fraction begins. Like for example, today is your birthday and I know you all enjoy to celebrate your birthday and being in a birthday party. So your mother bought a cake for you and you invited some of your friends, and then after that your mother cut the cake into so many pieces. Let's count how many pieces that cake is cut into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your mother has divided the cake into 6 pieces. Now you decided to give some of the parts to your friends. So now you gave this first part to your first friend. So can you tell me how much part have you given to your friend? Yes. So it shows that out of all the 6 parts, you have given how many parts? Yes, only 1 part. So, the fraction for this part, how much you have given, is 1 part you have given out of how many? Out of 6 parts, you have given only this 1 part. So, this is the fraction for this shaded part. Now, we should understand that why these 2 numbers are written and what do we call these 2 numbers? So, our fraction is written in form of parts taken upon total number of parts. As we can see here that 1 is the part taken. How much part we have taken. And here 6 is represented as total number of parts. So, this is the form in which fraction is written. And we can also say this parts taken, the above part, as our numerator. And the part which is and below we call it as denominator. You need to learn the spelling of both, as I know many students commit so many mistakes while writing their spellings. So fraction is equals to numerator upon denominator. In a short form we can call it as n and denominator as d. Now if you see our old fraction 1 upon 6, what is the numerator here? Can you tell me? Yes, it is 1. And what is the denominator here? It is 6. Now it's your time to write the fraction for the shaded part. Like in this first question. Here, shaded part, there are 2 only. And total number of parts are 6. So the fraction for shaded part is parts taken or shaded part upon total number of parts, as total number of parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So fraction is 2 upon 6. Here the fraction will be, fraction is equals to parts taken upon total number of parts. Here parts taken are 3 and total number of parts are 4. Correct. And here, can you tell me what will be the fraction for this shaded part? Yes, the shaded part is 1 and total number of parts are 3. So this was the way how we can write our fraction. The above part is called numerator and the part which is below is called denominator. Let's learn how to read a fraction.
When something is divided into 2 equal parts, we call them halves. 1 piece out of 2 total pieces is 1/2. When something is divided into 3 equal parts, we call them thirds. 1 piece out of 3 total pieces is 1/3. 2 pieces out of 3 total pieces is 2/3. When something is divided into 4 equal parts, we either call them fourths when they appear in math, or quarters when they appear in daily life. 1 piece out of 4 total pieces is 1/4 or 1/4. 3 pieces out of 4 total pieces is 3/4 or 3/4.
How to read a fraction? If this is the given fraction, we can read it in so many ways as 2 upon 5, 2 by 5, 2 out of 5, or we can also call it as 2/5. It's time for your homework. 2 given questions in fair notebook. Write questions also in fair notebook. Viewers, kindly like and subscribe my video to get more notifications and updates. And students, kindly mention your name, class and section in the comment box of my video. Thank you for watching.